Alright guys, we're back at the bridge where it's been underwater here on the trail for the past couple days. So we've got our knee-high boots on. We're gonna see if we can walk this through, and should be pretty easy at the other end, I think. Don't know how deep this is, but the water's flowing pretty good. There's 50 feet up ahead. I head into the right. Something just jumped out of the water here. Hope it wasn't an alligator. Or snake. I'm hoping that this goes around the corner here and then it hits the bridge. I'd say it's probably about half a foot deep. Not too bad if you take it easy. This it's flowing pretty good. Now it's getting a little bit deeper. And I'm trying to stay on the higher end. Oh, it just dropped there. I think it's an acorn. See how deep got about 6 inches to go before it goes in the boot. And I got a trail camera off in that direction. And I really don't know if I want to go over there. I mainly wanted to get on the bridge here and past it to map out. There's 2 campgrounds. They're hiking only. And you can see up ahead there is the bridge. So I got about another 100 yards to go. And it's getting a little shallower. Just this little spot here kind of looks like it gets a little bit deeper. Let's see what it does. It just looks like it does. All these acorns keep on dropping in the water, and it kind of freaks you out if you don't know what it is. It's getting a little bit deeper. Not too bad. And now it's getting a little shallower. There are alligators out here. So I can see now it's getting a little bit shallower. I think we've got the worst behind us. I believe this is called the Ecohachi River, something like that. Oh. Now we made it over to the other side. Where we came from. Not too bad if you got the right footwear. All right, let's get back on the bike here. One lane bridge, 25-ton limit. So this is what the bridge looks like. Still a fair amount of water coming down. And that's where we want to go, right there. I was hoping it was going to be down a little bit more, but it isn't. I got a couple of trail cameras on the other end here, and the deer and the hogs still walk through here. They know how deep it is, and they keep on going. All right, so we want to go up there and hang a left. And there's two walking. Sorry about that. I had a phone call, which we don't answer. So let's see. So this is about a mile from the campground where I'm staying. This now becomes the yellow trail. I imagine not too many people get on this side because of the water. Well, you can see that sign there. This is the South Loop. Will take us to the two campgrounds. First one coming up, and then the other one's a little bit further down. These campgrounds are hiking only, and it's first come, first served, no reservations required. So I would really be amazed if anybody's here. But you never know. It's my first time over on this side of the bridge, mainly because it was so far to walk when I came in here last time that I didn't even want to attempt it. Pretty good deer trails going through here. And here's a sign for the next campground to the left. Sign, one picnic table and a fire ring and some firewood. Let me put this on the map and map it out, and I'll be right back. All right, we got this all mapped out here, and let's go back on the trail and continue on the loop. Looks like it should be a pretty good trail looping around. Just the terrain changes. Alright guys, we are back at the bridge, and I am gonna put you offline for a little bit till I get to my trail camera, if I can get to it, and if the water's not too deep. But we'll probably see you guys in just a little bit. Alright, I'll catch you in a little bit. Made it back to the e-bike. There's the bridge over there. Just barely got to the trail camera. Had about maybe a couple inches to spare on my knee-high boots. And the camera is good to go. Took a picture of me. Just walked this on the edge of the roadway here until we hit higher ground. I think this was the deeper part too, coming in. I'm hoping this water doesn't mess with the bike. It's right at hub level. It should be watertight. But they tell you not to run it in water. But we came through here at the beginning and it was working fine after that. It seems like it might have went down a little bit. I don't think this gravel was showing before. Or if it wasn't that much. A little bit more and we're home free. Glad I was able to get to the camera just to verify everything. The battery box is above water, so that's good. I was really concerned that I hadn't been receiving any pictures lately. But I did get a notification on my phone when I stepped in front of it. I was worried that maybe the battery box was going to be underwater, but the battery box itself was just sitting on top of the water. So that's been pretty good. And it's been reporting every day. So let me grab a little bit of water here. All right, put my helmet back on. And the bike on. We were at 2 bars, and now we're at 3. Should be plenty to get us back home to the campground. All right, let's go. Yeah, I don't think anybody's been on the other side of that bridge other than maintenance people on 4x4.